Have you ever been confused by duplicate activity names in your Primavera P6 schedule? Here's a quick way to add specific descriptions like the area or building to your activity names. First, go to Tools, then select Global Change and click New. In the New wizard, choose the criteria for the activities you want to update. For example, if you're working with the fire pump building, set the condition to apply to activities where the WBS is under Fire Pump Building. Next, set the activity name is equals the activity name, and choose the paramater to be ampersand. Then from the drop list, choose Custom or choose one of the built-in options. In our case, we will choose Custom and add -fire pump building description. You can customize this to fit your needs. After that, click Change, and you can review the updates and then commit changes. If you'd like to save a log of the changes, click Yes. Now your activity names will be updated with the new descriptions. Simple and efficient.